Something very unfortunate happened a couple days ago. My razor died, broke, and disintegrated. Fell off the side of the shower, and since this was screwed in, I believe this was a weak point and broke. And now I am back on to the multi-blade. And since this has happened, I thought I'd bring up a subject because I thought it was interesting as I am using the multi-blade again. I've got some different thoughts about like straight razors, multi-blades, and I know this is just a ongoing thing, but my gosh, why can't we just stay consistent? Now, what do I mean by consistent? My gosh, over the past like 3 months, I have noticed that every time I shave, I have been getting just an exuberant amount of nicks and cuts. And I think I've got it down to consistency, because that's the problem. It comes to consistency with your razor. Because if you guys didn't know this, your skin actually has to get acclimated to the razor that you're using on your skin. And what I found is I actually have been going back and forth over the past 3 months, and I've been shaving with like different areas with different razors, and I don't know why. You know, I think mainly because I think I get a better and smoother shave with the multi-blade, obviously because it goes under the subsurface, and it's easier on my grooves and in the crevices with the straight razor, because with this one, there's so much real estate on the multi-blade. It's tough getting up in the under regions where this is a lot easier. But what I've noticed that when I've switched up both of my razors, and I wonder if this has happened to you guys too, but I definitely have more nicks and cuts. And I think because of that is because the way the hair is getting cut, and when it goes under the subsurface and it's growing out and it's getting a new cut from a new blade, I think there's some problems there. So what I have concluded in all of this, and using my multi-blade, right? This one's from Leaf Shave, and this is probably one of the better ones, but what I've noticed is that when I'm shaving and I use different razors, my skin has become more irritated. And I don't think it likes the different amount of razors that I'm using. I think it likes just one blade at one time. And I've actually done some research on this, and it is true. Your skin actually prefers a consistent motion with your razor. So if you're using a straight razor or a multi-blade, just continue using it over the next few weeks or months. And if you guys notice too, if you actually go to an electric razor or electric shaver, it's the same concept. It's a different style of cut, but it's going on the abrasion of the skin is causing a different type of cut. And, you know, and it's actually another type of cut that's on your hair. And you have to think about this too. When you have an electric razor, your hair is going into that little, it's like the screen. And when it does, it's like it's munching on it. It's like, and you really don't get a nice clean cut off of it. But I really don't notice too much when it comes to ingrown hairs. If anything, it's more of a skin irritation. Or when I'm using the multi-blade, I actually find that I'm cutting myself. And I don't know if I'm like, when I go over the skin, if I'm shifting up or if I'm not being so taut on my skin as I shave. And surprisingly, after over 20 some odd years of shaving, you think I'd get it right. And I think as I grow and I use new tools, I'm just not staying consistent, and I need to use just one blade for a good amount of time, and I don't know why. So this message is to you guys. Stay consistent in your razors, because I can be the guinea pig of this and getting nicks, cuts, and this is all over too. I mean, if I showed you my chest here, I mean, it's just bad. I mean, even down there, I'm kind of afraid to take it off down there, especially when I'm having some fun time. Like, I kind of feel insecure because like some of my shave has gone a little awry. So this is just a public service announcement. If you are using a razor or a electric razor or some sort of shaver, stay consistent with it. That way your skin can get acclimated to it. And that way you don't have cuts, nicks, or my goodness, ingrown hairs, because I am just losing my mind. Well, I hope that helped you out today. Have a good one, and I will see you in the next video.